it's Doug McDougall. I'm General Manager of SISLEY for Honda. I have a special car behind me, and you're probably wondering why I say that. A lot of our vehicles we get as trade-ins, and a lot of them are SISLEY originals, which means that the car was bought originally from us, serviced here, and then traded back to us. And this one is a classic example of a SISLEY original. I absolutely love this model of Accord because it was rock solid dependable in virtually every way. It's got a classic design on it, and it's one of these cars that goes down the road and it just looks newer. It's really got a nice design, and best of all, they work. This one is a really nice example of an Accord LX because it's white. I believe it's got 120, I'm just going to read off my cue sheet. It's got 120,000 kilometers, one owner, SISLEY original car. It doesn't get better than this. It's got Michelin tires on all four corners, nice ones actually. They were replaced by the customer. We're just going to show you the tread depth while I go inside and open the hood of this car. It's a really nice condition. I just can't get over the type of condition that this car is in. I'm just going to open the hood here. You can see in the engine bay, again, it's got 120,000 on it, so it's got a little rusty bolts in it, but other than that, it's really nice. All the stickers are on the hood. It's all original. Really nice car. The other thing too is we priced the car. Obviously, we're not going to price it around the price of a car that's got 30 or 40,000 on it. It's priced accordingly, and we've done that with this car. The condition of this car is really what counts, though. And you'll notice that it's got the odd battle scar on it, but otherwise it's in really nice condition. Just going to open up the door here. It's got light gray contrasting interior. Air conditioning, automatic, power windows, power locks, of course. All the Honda standard safety features come with the car. But it's, I think, in exceptional condition. Typically, we would wholesale a car with this kind of kilometers, but we're not. It's got a story, and we can tell you the story, and we can tell who owned it, what they did with it, how they serviced it. The whole story comes with that. I think that's half the battle when you buy a used car, is to get that story and get to know where the car's been. We're just going along to the back here, and I'm just going to pop the trunk and show you the inside. I've looked at every panel on this car, and I don't see any accidents, any replacement of any panels on it. Sometimes that shows up on a CARFAX report and sometimes it doesn't, but I've gone around the car and I look for this polychloride vinyl seal, and I've looked at the whole car top to bottom, and I see nothing but original panels on it. Really nice vehicle, price to sell. Best part is you can do this all remotely. You don't even have to leave your home. We can, that's why we're doing the video for you. We, if you want to give us an offer and negotiate on the phone or by email, we'll do that. Best of all, you can finance through us, and we'll just courier the paperwork to your house and pick it up by courier. Best of all, after all is said and done, we'll drop it right in your driveway. We'll bring it on our SISLEY Hino flatbed truck, and we'll deliver it, white glove delivery right to your driveway. The other thing is, on any of our used cars, you got a 7-day exchange. If you get the car and you just feel that it isn't right, you can exchange it for any of our other vehicles that we have on our lot, and we have close to 100 right now. So there's a pretty good selection. But we're offering it to you so that you have peace of mind. Thank you for watching the video, and hope to see you soon.